Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S22. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft and not stiff, otherwise you might scratch it. The phone. We also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so it softens the dirt, helps remove it from the microphone opening, and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy such a diffuser and brush as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush, as long as it's soft or medium hard, because if the bristles are too hard, they might scratch your phone. First, we need to turn off the phone, if it's on. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. After turning off the phone, spray the toothbrush with alcohol. Take the phone in your hand, along with the microphone. We have it here on this side. We need to clean it, so make 10 to 15 steady strokes. Make these strokes in every direction, using the toothbrush. Then, in the other direction, do the same, 10 to 15 strokes. Next, towards the display, make 10 to 15 strokes. And then towards the back cover, do the same, 10 to 15 strokes to get the microphone perfectly clean. Then turn the phone to the other side, because here we have the second microphone, as you can see. And it's also a good idea to clean the second microphone, because if something isn't working for you, just cleaning one microphone, the bottom one, doesn't always solve the problem, since it's often this microphone that's very dirty. And in that case, it still wouldn't work for you. But if you clean both microphones, then the likelihood that something still won't work is very minimal. If the microphone is very dirty, you may need to repeat this process for now, 2 or 3 times. Just like I mentioned earlier. That means 20 to 30 strokes in each direction. With changes in direction, I think this will completely solve the problem. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 15 to 50 minutes, so that the alcohol in the panel cleaner can evaporate. And only after that time can we turn the phone on and use it normally again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.